In this video, I'll show you how you can exclude Temu from your Google search. Now this is pretty easy, guys. What you want to do is just type this simple thing with dash, site, colon, and then the website. So if you search for anything, you can type in, as an example here, cheap electronics space dash site colon temu.com. This will exclude anything with cheap electronics from the temu.com. Now, if it has multiple domains, you can do it with multiple. And if you want to remove Temu completely, you can do this. So type anything space dash Temu. This will remove anything, any mention of Temu. So even if it has Temu in the name or in the bio of the item, it will also exclude it. So those are the ways that you can remove Temu from your search results. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.